In this video, several key aspects of the operation of the SPARKY II system will be presented. Before the system can be operated, it must be set up and homed. For detailed instructions on the setup and homing procedures, please view the video titled Setting Up SPARKY II System. With the system fully set up and homed, we will begin by taking a look at the control podium. The control podium is fitted with a laminated graphical overlay. The overlay can be easily removed and cleaned if necessary. The front indicator panel key, seen here, shows the operator what all the light sequences mean. Here we see the system title, the Michigan Society of Professional Engineers logo, and the Grand Valley State University logo. The areas of the robot controlled by the podium are split into two sections. The left half of the control podium controls the main body of the robot, that is, the shoulder rotation, shoulder elevation, and elbow elevation. The right half of the control podium controls the end effector or hand of the robot, that is, the wrist elevation, wrist rotation, and gripper actuation. A necessity for any remotely operated system, the emergency stop, seen here, stops all robot movement. With the explanation of the control podium complete, a demonstration of the individual controls is possible. First, the shoulder of the robot will be rotated to the right using the left joystick. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the robot's shoulder rotates to the right. Next, we will rotate the shoulder of the robot back to the left using the left joystick. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the shoulder rotates back to the left. Now, using the left joystick, we will decrease the elevation of the shoulder. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the shoulder elevation decreases. The elevation of the shoulder can be increased using the left joystick. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the shoulder elevation increases. Next, the controls of the elbow will be investigated. Using the left toggle switch, the elbow is rotated down. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the elbow rotates down. Again, using the left toggle switch, the shoulder is rotated back up. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the elbow rotates up. Now, we'll move on to the control of the end effector or hand of the robot. Using the right joystick, the wrist is rotated up. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the wrist rotates up. Using the right joystick, the wrist is rotated back down. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the wrist rotates down. Using the right joystick, the wrist is rotated to the right. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the wrist rotates to the right. Using the right joystick, the wrist is rotated back to the left. Looking up at the robot, it can be seen that the wrist rotates to the left. Finally, the gripper can be closed and opened using the right toggle switch. This concludes the demonstration of the robot controls in manual mode.